Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is day 266, February 8th. I'm opening ones, guys, until I get a number on Alter Remax. So yeah, we got Star Universe, so should be pretty good today. And Lost Origins. So yeah. Alright guys, so the camera's gonna be like extra shaky today, so just deal with it. Cause yeah. Alright, this booster box has not been giving the goods at all. Psychic. Alrighty, we got a Cook Full Art Trainer Gallery card. Wow, this camera's shaky as heck. This is actually a pretty cool one. It looks like he's making some nice dishes. We got the berries in the back. Wow, this is horribly off-centered. I just saw that. Okay, whatever. It's still a cool card, so we'll take it. Galarian Trainer Gallery, not Galarian Gallery. Alrighty, can I get a God Pack for once? Even though I've opened probably like 18 packs of this set. I want a God Pack. Yes! Yes! Double banger, and this thing looks like an alt-art. Oh my goodness, we got the Lapras Galarian Gallery. And this, like, Hisuian Samurott alt-art looking thing. It's got, like, a volcano. Look at those trees. This card's actually nice. Woo! Today was good. I'll take it. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.